Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Chuer and I designed the Covsafe. Last few days and weeks we have been bombarded with cases that are reported in more like an enclosed place. If you can see from here, these are cases that reported 2 days ago, 11 October, and this one are reported yesterday at Bukit Tinggi Mall. So this shows that initial checkup on mall entrance are not sufficient enough to filter out these people. Yeah, you can filter out people who have symptom, but what if started to have symptom when he or she is inside the mall? That's where the Covsafe comes in. Covsafe is an autonomous unit or autonomous robot that are able to detect visitors who have high body temperatures and also are capable of sanitizing the places where it goes. Covsafe are divided into 4 major subsystems, if I may say so. First one would be the thermal imagery located in front of the Covsafe. The Covsafe will have thermal imagery camera. Usually we will be using the FLIR camera. When the Covsafe detect visitor who have high body temperature, the camera, which is the surveillance camera, will take a picture of the visitor and alert anyone who are concerned about it. Second one would be the sanitizing spray. The Covsafe will be able to spray out sanitizing fluid to wherever it goes. The sanitizing fluid will be held inside a tank located inside the Covsafe. The Covsafe will use a fork type nozzle to ensure larger area to be covered by this sanitizing spray. Next up would be the Covsafe infrared light sensor located underneath Covsafe. So initially the Covsafe will have a black line to follow. There will be a path ready for the Covsafe to follow. Mainly consists of black and white line. So the IR sensor will have 2 diodes on it. One of the diode will be transmitting infrared light while the other one would be receiving infrared light on the black line. Infrared light that are transmitted by one of the diode will not be reflected, and the other diode will not receive any infrared light, meaning that the Covsafe are on its path. If the Covsafe were to steer out of its path, the infrared signal or light that are transmitted from one of the diode will reflect on the white line, and the light sensor, the infrared sensor, will detect light and tell the servo to kinda turn left or right. Next one will be the proximity sensor. If the Covsafe were to be used in malls, there would be people or object that will be crossing path on its line. So we have to make sure that the Covsafe doesn't bump any people or any object. That's where the ultrasonic proximity sensor comes in. For example, I've set it into 20 centimeters, so if there's no object in front of the Covsafe in the 20 centimeter range, the Covsafe will continue moving on its path. Now if there were an object in front of the Covsafe that are 20 centimeter or less, the Covsafe will stop. A red light would be, there will be a red light and a sound would be played. The sound is to tell someone that it's blocking the Covsafe. So that is all from me. Thank you.